In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize for profit or profit on ad spend within your ad platforms. First thing to note is in order for this to work, you need to ensure that your cost settings are configured correctly within Reaktion so that we can accurately calculate the profit to then send it to the ad platform. So I'll leave a link in the description on how you can ensure that your cost settings are set up correctly, and then we can move into the platform itself. So in this case, we're going to be showing you how you can optimize for profit or POAS within Google Ads. The same also goes for Meta, although with Meta, you can't change the conversion goal of a particular campaign. With a pre-existing campaign, you can only create a new campaign and then select profit as your campaign goal. And by doing that, you will optimize for profit. However, in the case of Google, even with a pre-existing campaign, you can change your primary conversion goal to Reaktion's profit events so that you can then optimize for profit or profit on ad spend. In order to do that, you want to navigate to goals and then conversions and the conversion summary. Within the conversion summary, you will find all of Reaktion's events, and you will be able to select which event you want to optimize for. For example, it may be the case that you do want to optimize for revenue if you're a subscription-based business, for example, or you may want to specifically target new customer revenue or even profit after refunds or revenue after refunds. But in this case, we're going to be optimizing for just the standard profit event. So by scrolling down to your purchase events, you will see all of Reaktion's goals. So here we want to find two goals in particular in order to optimize for profit. The first one being, because it's right in front of me, Reaktion Profit Conversion Booster. So what this does is pick up any additional conversions that the original Reaktion Profit Conversion event doesn't pick up. So you want to set this as a primary conversion action. So here, click into the conversion goal, edit settings, and then you want to set it as your primary goal. Click Save, and then you want to go back to your conversion events, and then also set the standard Reaktion Profit event as a primary conversion goal. The two will then work together to calculate all of the tracked orders and the profit for those orders. So back to purchases. And now we have the task of finding Reaktion profit. We'll show 20 rows and hopefully it's in the first 20. No, I don't think it is. Yeah, so we're going to go to the second page. And then you'll see here Reaktion profit. Again, click into Reaktion profit, edit settings, primary action. In doing this, when you go back, you want to ensure that no other purchase events are set as primary conversion goals within your account, as this will result in over-reporting and you will be feeding the algorithm with two sets of data for different conversion events. So within purchase, in this case, we do have another primary conversion goal here, but we change that to secondary and purely target the conversion booster as well as the standard profit event. This will ensure that you're optimizing for profit, and then in order to optimize for profit on ad spend, what you want to do is set your campaign bidding strategy to target return on ad spend. It might sound counterintuitive to target return on ad spend instead of profit on ad spend, but as profit data is being sent to your purchase event, the data that is considered within return on ad spend will in fact be profit data, and therefore it will be profit on ad spend. So you want to set your bidding strategy as target return on ad spend, feed profit data into that campaign, and you will therefore optimize for profit on ad spend. If you want to do the same for profit after refunds, you will use the profit after refunds conversion event and instead set that as your primary conversion goal as opposed to the standard profit conversion event.